I always doubt myself. How should I develop more confidence?
Because you don't trust your potential. We do not have that self belief. Whatever you want to do in life, first of all, trust yourself that you can do it.
Right. So I want to
So
achieve my dreams. I have the potential, but how should I deal with my disability then?
I'll give you an example. Recently, I have seen a one short video where a puppy was there and he didn't have his front two legs. So he was unable to walk. So I have seen that lady, she made something and put that instrument around his neck where two legs are coming and she put his bones there and he started walking properly. You know what? There is no problem which has no solution. When she speaks, you feel like, oh my God, it's really amazing. I think one should listen to her. And when I watched her video for the very first time, I was like literally feel very motivated. Just mind, the more you will tell yourself that I can't do it because I have this disability, you will never be able to do that thing. So, okay, I can do this. It's not that difficult. There must be a solution for this. Always follow um optimistic approach.
Okay, sublime is an adjective which is used for something very beautiful, something very excellent, or very trendy word used. Tech savvy, we say. Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon.
How are you doing?
Yes, yes, I'm doing good. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. So you had your lunch already?
Yeah, just now, like a few minutes
All
ago.
right. Okay, that's pretty great. So how is your English journey going, by the way?
It's going great. Whatever time I get in a day, I try to connect with somebody and do my practice.
All right. Okay, that's perfect. So let us begin with this session then.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So this session is basically about dreams and hopes. Okay, so it will be a very jolly and a good session. Let's see how it goes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, all right. That's great. Now, first of all, tell me what was your biggest dream when you were a child?
I always wanted to become a news reporter.
Oh wow.
I used to communicate in English, though I did not know single English word, but I used to do blah 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 and try to report or like anchoring just by watching TV in my childhood. So my mom used to tell me that I think you will become something like in the field of communication. So now I'm an advocate, so I think it's somewhere associated with that. Yeah,
All right, that's pretty great. So that was your dream, right? Not exactly. Your dream was being a journalist, but you ended up being an advocate, right?
right, right.
Okay, no issues in that. Now tell me, what is the biggest dream you have at the moment? After having a job, money, financial stability, what's your dream ahead?
I want to become a great motivator. The main thing. I feel that I can motivate people to do something positive in their life or good in their life. So I think YouTube is a great platform for that, and I'm working hard on that. So maybe someday I'll surely get that.
Okay, all right. So can you please tell me what role does motivation play in every person's life, especially in an in a teenager's life and in an adult's life?
Uh, See, motivation is work like a pill. It's not always with you. You can feel motivated for some point of time. For example, like today, I'm not feeling energetic, I'm not feeling doing something, or maybe I'm sluggish. So when I watch something related to my particular field or my niche, I don't know why, but I automatically feel energetic. I start doing work again. So that works like a magic pill sometimes, but it cannot help you every time. You have to be your self motivator for the life. Somebody can motivate you for the moment when you are actually feeling very demotivated, very low in your life. You feel like, okay, that I can't do anything. So if you listen to something very powerful, you feel energetic. You feel that you're getting that energy back to you. So that actually motivation do, and but I feel that motivation is very important and it actually plays a very important role in everybody's life. Every person needs motivation. Whatever you are doing, even a labor, he's working full day, but he's not getting his desired result, he will feel demotivated. So kind of motivation required. We feel motivated when we get our remuneration, salary, money, maybe any kind of reward. Whatever work we are doing, we receive that award and then we feel motivated to do the same thing for further. So yes, it's important.
Okay, that's perfect. Now let's play a quick role play game where you have to motivate the person. Let's see how you do it. Okay. All
Oh my
right.
God, I'm
So the
getting a call. Can I take a pause for a few
okay,
seconds?
okay, okay. It's fine. All right. So it was something regarding your profession.
Sorry?
The call was something regarding your profession.
No, it was about a courier. I had to go and pick it
Acha.
up. It's
Okay.
very urgent. That's why.
Okay. It's fine. I think it happens with me also. Sometimes I'm in middle of the session and the courier is standing right.
Yeah, but I feel really bad whenever it happens.
I know it's fine. All right. So I was saying let's start with the role play game where you have to motivate. Okay. Let me give you the situation. The situation is I am a physically handicapped student.
Okay.
Okay. I feel low at multiple points of time. So I will ask you questions, and as a motivator, let's see how what kind of words you tell me to assure me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Let's start. Now, first of all, ma'am, why do I feel like I am not enough? I always doubt myself. How should I develop more confidence?
Why you always feel like this? Because you don't trust your potential. Trust me, if you will trust your potential for once, you will feel really great. We sometimes, discourage ourselves. We do not have that self-belief. That is very important. Whatever you want to do in life, first of all, trust yourself that you can do it. The moment you will think that you can do it, 50% of your work has already done. You just need to focus the rest of the 50% that how to do it. You have to plan the strategy next. So start doing it and you will see the positive difference in a few days. And one thing I would like to tell you that every person has that potential. Sometimes they are not aware of that because you must have heard a saying that every person on this earth has something unique in them. You just need to find that unique thing which is in you, and that is only in you, not anyone else. So once you will find that, you can do anything you want. Yeah.
Okay, all right. But you know what? Like whenever someone meets me, they start empathizing with me or sympathizing with me. They start feeling pity for me, and I don't want that. I want to be treated as a normal person. What should I do to get that?
I think you should not think about those few people. I think there are few, not many, because the people who try to show empathy, they may be emotional kind of person and they feel that if they will feel empathy with you, you feel nice. The mindset is very positive from their side, but you personally do not like it. And I can understand it's completely fine. So you can try to avoid or maintain distance. These kinds of people do not think about them much because that is personally you don't like. So until you are happy, you feel comfortable, you may not able to do those such things which you really want to do. So first of all, just talk to them formally and then just get disconnected with them. Do not
All
communicate for long duration because that is something they will fill your in your mind which you don't like. So that's
okay,
what
all
my
right.
suggestion is.
But ma'am, yes. But ma'am, what if I have dreams but my body doesn't cooperate? So even I want to become an engineer, I want to go to the office, I want to travel, but because of my I think you can say disability, I'm unable to get up. Right? So I want to
Um,
achieve my dreams. I have the potential, but how should I deal with my disability then?
See the time where are we living? It's a kind of era where technology is on its high peak. You have solution for everything. It's just that you have to be focused on that particular thing. I'll give you an example. Recently I have seen a one short video where a puppy was there and he didn't have his front two legs, so he was unable to walk. So I have seen that lady, she made something and she put it in his neck, on his neck or around his neck. She put that instrument around his neck where two legs are coming and she put his bones there and he started walking properly. You know what, there is no problem which has no solution on this earth. It's just that you have to think in that, like, think deeply. You can do research and definitely if you will try to find it, you will definitely get something which can help you to get over or get over from the bed and walk, or maybe whatever you want to do you can do. So
Okay,
technology is there, you can research. Basically you have to research, it will take time. Do it and definitely you will receive something like that.
okay, got it. So have you ever encountered any physically disabled person?
No.
Okay, never like in your college times, in your school times, never.
Yeah, in school time, yeah, well, but that time I was too young to understand all those things because I was in like third or fourth grade, I feel. So there was this girl, Meena. I still remember her name. She used to live near my house, and she has that polio problem, one leg. So
Okay.
she was not able to walk properly. So even I used to feel sometime bad for her, but then like that time I was kid, so I was not very emotional or very attached, like what I can do for her and all. But yes, I have seen her.
Exactly. And I think students sometimes they avoid making such friends, right? Who are having such things because they don't have the proper understanding.
Right. I have seen
Correct.
people, they try to maintain distance.
Correct. Exactly. Okay. Now tell me, for example, is it wrong to want big things despite my condition? There are
It
were
is not
times where
wrong.
I've achieved.
Yeah, it is definitely not wrong. You might know a person that is, I think, social internet sensation, Muniba Mazari. She,
Okay.
have you heard her speech? Oh my God, it's
Yeah,
so
yeah. Not
motivational.
her speech, but I have heard her name. It's very famous and renowned.
Yes. So when she speaks, you feel like, oh my God, it's really amazing. I think one should listen to her. And when I watched her video for the very first time, I was like literally feel very motivated because despite of her physical conditions, she was able to stood up, stand up. I don't know. Sometimes I get
Stood
confused.
up, stood up. In the past, you are telling a particular incident, right? But in general, if you're saying, then stand up.
Then stand up. Okay, so she was able to stood up, and now she is doing really well. So I think physical disability is just in your mind. It's totally up to you how you communicate it with your subconscious mind. The more you will tell yourself that I can't do it because I have this disability, you will never be able to do that thing. So I think you should always teach your subconscious mind to work positively and affirm yourself always positively, like, okay, I can do this, it's not that difficult, there must be a solution for this. Always follow um optimistic approach, I feel.
Yes, exactly. Have you heard this term cognitive disability?
Yes, I have heard this. Cognitive disability. I think it's like when a baby born, sometimes they born with this cognitive, like by birth, I feel.
Yeah, but what kind of disability is that? Cognitive disability is
Um,
what? Associated with?
mentally, like,
Ah, yes.
for example, like, what do we call that? Syndrome, kind of, if
Achha, okay,
somebody has Down
syndromes.
syndrome.
Okay. Yes, we can say that. Someone who is born with, you can say, less intellectual power, that even if they are
Yes,
in fifth or sixth class, they are behaving like the first class. So their
right.
mental growth is very slow sometimes, right?
Slow, right.
Okay. So do you think that the backbenchers of your class, any of them were suffering from this syndrome or something? Or
No,
they
no,
were genuinely not interested in
they're
studies?
genuinely not interested. It's all about interest, that what particular thing interests you more. So like backbenchers are like, they are in their another zone because the kids are, you cannot predict, or you cannot assume that they will follow your instructions every time. So
Okay.
it's not about that.
All right. Do you know about the concept of shadow teacher?
Shadow.
Shadow teacher, have you heard about it?
Yeah, I know shadowing. Shadowing means to repeat if somebody is saying something
No,
and you
no,
have
no,
to.
that is different. In the school, a teacher is employed as shadow teacher. What does
Oh,
it
no,
mean?
I have never heard this.
So I'll tell you, there is one of my relatives. She has been recently employed as a shadow teacher. There is a girl. She's in fifth class, but her cognitive, like means her brain is working very less. So she is like answering according to the first class age. She's having some kind of cognitive disability only. So a
Okay.
shadow teacher is only appointed for one student, and the
Oh.
parents are paying her.
Okay, that's great. So it's like this kind of facility available in schools.
Yes, not every school. You can say some of the elite schools.
Oh,
Because not every parent, you know what, it's very difficult. Parents, first of all, they never admit that their student, their children are suffering from something. They can
right,
never digest this fact, right?
right. It's very
So
difficult.
It's very difficult. Obviously, we are no one to comment on them because they are
Right.
suffering with their own things, right?
Right.
That is how I think she's studying amongst the normal students only.
So
Okay,
that she
but
can get the
obviously,
environment.
exactly, correct. But obviously, you can imagine the entire class sees that only one student has private teacher. What's the reason? So they also start questioning it to some extent, right? That is something which happens. Correct.
Right,
All
right,
right.
right.
So now let me test your vocabulary. I'm writing 4 to 5 words in the chat box. Just have a look. Let us discuss
Okay.
them.
Subtle. Yeah. Sublime. I don't know how to pronounce
Succinct.
it.
Succinct.
Succinct. Okay.
Okay, let's discuss the first word. Subtle means
Subtle, I know, like I'm very subtle. I don't know exactly the meaning of this, but I've heard few sentences and I understand the meaning.
for example, her smile was very subtle.
Appropriate.
Okay.
Nahin.
No, no, it's not appropriate.
Um,
Subtle is something which is not easily noticeable.
oh,
Not
okay.
easily noticeable, yes. So her smile was subtle, I mean, it was not even visible. She might be pretending or she might be doing something. Subtle something which is very not noticeable, we can say.
Okay, okay, got it.
The next word.
Sublime. Sublime, I don't know.
Okay, sublime is an adjective which is used for something very beautiful, something very excellent, or something which you are having a great admiration towards. You admire something. So we can say it's a sublime beauty, sublime painting, sublime scenario, very beautiful. We have no words to describe that beauty. That's why we refer to it as sublime.
Okay, okay, okay.
But the next word, succinct, means clear. It is used in expression of speech. Like you are good in verbal communication. What is non-verbal communication?
Okay.
Tell me what is non-verbal communication.
Non-verbal means gesture, my facial expression, my hand gesture,
Exactly.
my smile,
Exactly.
everything.
Correct, correct. So these non-verbal communication also should be succinct. They should be clear in nature so that the other person should feel engaged in whatever you are saying.
How to use
Right?
this word succinct, succinct in
Succinct, succinct, succinct,
succinct, succinct.
succinct. Yes. So you can use, like, let's talk about the speech of Narendra Modi. So what you can say that her speech was very succinct in nature. It was very accurate. It targeted the terrorists, like whatever he was addressing the nation towards. So it's very commonly used over there. Succinct, clear language. How articulative you are in nature.
Okay, okay. I've never heard this. Savvy.
And last, savvy,
Um,
savvy.
savvy,
Okay, this
okay,
is
okay.
very trendy word used. Tech savvy, we say. You might have heard it.
Tech savvy. Okay, yeah, I've heard this word, but I don't know the meaning.
Tech savvy is someone who is very skilled in technology. So savvy
No.
means when you are skilled. So you can be skilled
Okay,
in technology or any particular thing.
okay. If
So
you're
these are
good at,
certain words. Uh-huh.
sorry?
So what am I saying is that these are some words which are very commonly used. In every random article you might be coming across, but we never pay the attention to really understand and recollect the meaning, right?
Right, right, right.
Exactly. And I have seen most of the motivational speakers. So if you really want to become one, please pick up some phrases, some lines from Shakespeare, from any other quotes, because it makes you sound more impressive and people can relate more. So say more wisdom, some philosophical lines. And vocabulary obviously should be good because a motivational speaker should have these things, right? These
Yes,
qualities at least.
right, right, right. Got it.
You are a very good speaker, no doubt. You're a lawyer, advocate. I don't think I can compete you, but the best part is we can improve if you really want to switch to the other part as well, right? We can
Yes,
improve
yes.
because we can never learn enough in our life. We just keep
Right,
on learning on every step, right? So that is where we have to focus upon.
right.
All right, okay, that's good. So that's all from my side. Any other question or doubt you would like to ask?
No, no.
All right, so keep revising, keep learning new words, and keep improving your articulated power. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Good day.
Okay.